I'm Mark Schneider, you're watching Schneider Classics, and today there's a motor underneath there that I need to dig out. So as you can see, we've had lots of snow this season. That's a buried snowmobile. I need to order the part for that. I may probably order the part for that this next week because it needs to be dug out and dealt with. That's a parts machine that might go this weekend. I'm hoping it does. That's my engine crane buried. Oh, dogs running around. I gotta dig all this out. I've been avoiding this all day. I haven't wanted to do it. I slept in because I was on live with 615 Customs last night and I should have just went to bed. We got this thing dug out, so I gotta dig out the trailer first, get the trailer backed up over there, and then dig out the motor. As you can see, I've just been letting a sticker kind of hopefully adhere here. Because even though this thing is being sold today, you know, you gotta leave some momentum. We've had a couple good videos with this thing on here. So I gotta dig this trailer out. She's buried. Like, you gotta think, where I'm standing is only half the tire. So this is gonna be a project. I gotta dig this trailer out. Then once the trailer's out, I gotta dig that engine out because that engine needs to be rebuilt. What am I doing to myself? Yeah, you're falling through the snowdrift. You're a happy dog. But what I should do first is bring those tires that are over here because those have to go with the truck today because the truck's getting new tires. The 67 after I pick it up from the shop. It's always a little bit comically how much snow we get here in Canada when I haul four full tires over a motor. And you will see later in this video, there's a motor in there. I'm sure of it. Like, look, this is my driveway. This is where the vehicle parks in there still. You can see how the road's all lumpy and stuff. There's about a half a foot of snow before you actually get to the driveway. Oh, I'm tired. Let's dig out this trailer. Today's gonna be a long day. Hey, Bobber. Yeah, I know, Max. Man, is this thing ever buried? Just turned this machine around, you know, good old Schneider Classics Kawasaki, turned around by hand because I know I'll get stuck in there again. So I have a stupid idea. As you can see, there's two chains there and a really long chain. The Jeep, the truck, and all that stuff aren't here today. All I have is this thing and that piece of shit car, but I doubt that thing will even start. So let's go with Old Reliable, the thing that starts no matter what, pretty much. they have to wait for the truck or the Jeep to pull out the trailer. But that doesn't mean I can start digging out over here, because I gotta dig out all of this first and then dig out the motor. So this is gonna be fun. Well, still having to dig snow, but I got interrupted with a couple things. Like this. There is a burn pit underneath all this, but who knows where it is, so you know, good old dryer lint. Let that burn for a sec. All your cardboard and stuff, because when you're on the farm you don't get recycling. This is your recycling. Let that burn. Oh, well, we have a bunch of stuff going on. Progress. Truck's home, had to quickly run out and grab it, did a couple things on it. Day's ending here. You can't tell, like way down there is road and built up all the way. I'm probably still like 4 feet above the ground. That just ain't burn there, you know. That's the thing, any homestead, any farm or anything, you always have a burn barrel. We have a burn pit. There's a cement pad underneath there for a bit there that's been cracked where the old town store was. That's my workshop way back in the back. That's just beautiful. You know, you just gotta stand guard and watch as your world burns. I'm staying around because I want to get those last little things on the side burnt that just started to fall, and they're just out of the fire's grasp. Even though you can see that one little corner starting to get orange, so maybe it'll catch. Just maybe, because if it gets hot enough. I mean, you can see it's starting to pull off the here. I think it's going to actually catch. Well, I be golly, I think it's catching on. It's on fire. It's so hot that that cardboard that's sitting behind that flame caught fire. It's already sunk like in the ground a little bit. Ooh, that's hot. That's hot. It's really hot. You know, you just gotta deal with things. Farm life. As the sun's setting over there, like this is beautiful, beautiful country. Just lots and lots of snow. I'm gonna take a seat. You know, sit myself in the snow. Today's not over. Clouds are beautiful. Well, break time's over. I'm gonna let that die out. We got the truck here, just doing stuff with the oil pan there. CNC being dealt with. I started digging this out. I'm a 6-foot guy. These snowbanks. I'm 6 feet, and that's how high the snow is. Yes, there, Bob. I mean, I am slouching a little bit. The cat. There's a Dodge, and there's the snowbank height compared to that Dodge. This is in the yard. It's taller outside the yard. There's just so much snow. Hey, Bob. Come on, climb on my shoulder. No, don't just paw me. Your claw is down my collar. That's not nice. I know, you are very loved. So much love. Oh. Okay. Ah. Like I said, so gotta continue digging this out. The motor should be in that drift, but I gotta dig this drift out. Yes, you're crawling on top of my chest. There's a sunset over there. There's a cat climbing all over me. Let's get this dug out. Time for a break. All this cleared up to the snowdrift because there's this one snowdrift here that's now up there and back there. Oh, that. Hey, look, I'm not even done digging this stuff, and this stuff's up to my waist. Oh. Oh. Just sit on an engine that's underneath a couple feet of snow. It's fine. Oh, I think I see a little bit of green tarp right there. Oh, I'm falling in the snow. because I'm tired. Yeah, there's part of the motor right there. I still have about 6 feet to dig to get to it, and then another 2 feet on that side. I think my trailer can fit through that. I can't wait to replace the coil on that thing so it can run, so I cannot do this by hand with a crappy push shovel. Oh, I need a break. I just went through a couple feet of snow. So also throwing these two things. I have 2 toolboxes in the back of the truck because we got 8 feet by 8 feet here, plus an extra like 3.5 or 4 feet over the cab. That box is then you hold the jackal strap, spare oils, like has oil, power steering fluid, all that fun stuff in here. And this, I gotta take out this subdivider wall. It's too much uneven, so I may store a spare gas can in here and my toolbox go in there for my portable toolbox. So I got to take that subdivider out. These boxes, they belonged to my great grandfather. They were part of the stuff that we inherited when we inherited a bunch of stuff. They're now in the back of my 67. Oh, I love that big steel tailgate. Yes, Bobber, you're a good cat. That's still being dug out. Oh, you can't believe that stuff. But I'm gonna try and deal with that on my break. Just dig from here to there. This is a tarp that's covering that motor, so we're close. I'm only where I was about 6 feet earlier today. During the sunset we were about 6 feet away. Now I'm only 2 feet away. Yeah, hi Bob. I can't believe how perfect that is. Like a glove. Oh, now I just have to probably back up a bit, drop the back, untarp it, load it up, and then we'll be good. Yes, hi Zoe. You're a good girl. Hey Zoe.